وَلَقَدْ يَسَّرْنَا الْقُرْآنَ لِلذِّكْرِ فَهَلْ مِن مُّدَّكِرٍ
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह वकफ़ा वसलामुन अला इबादिही अल्लज़ीना इस्तफ़ा अम्मा बाद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला सय्यिदिना मुहम्मदिन व अला आलिहि व सहाबिहि व सल्लिम. My honorable elder and younger, my dear brother and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today is our topic, the Quran, a message from God. This text has been taken from the Muhammad Asad, formerly Leopard Ways, who tells of his experience in a Berlin subway that drew him closer to Islam. In this respect, today part 1 will be described. Dr. Muhammad Asad tells, my old literary friends were glad to see me back in Berlin, but somehow it was not easy to take up the threads of our former relations at the point where they had been left dangling when I went to the Middle East. We had grown estranged. We no longer spoke the same intellectual language. In particular, from none of my friends could I elicit anything like understanding for my preoccupation with Islam. Almost to a man, they shook their heads in puzzlement when I tried to explain to them that Islam, as an intellectual and social concept, would favorably compare with any other ideology, although on occasion they might concede the reasonableness of this or that Islamic proposition. Most of them are of the opinion that the old religions were a thing of the past, and that our time demanded a new humanistic approach. But even those who did not so sweepingly deny all validity to institutional religion were by no means disposed to give up the popular Western action that Islam, being overly concerned with mundane matters, lacked the mystic which one had a right to expect from religion. It rather surprised me to discover that the very aspect of Islam which had attracted me in the first instance, the absence of a division of reality into physical and spiritual compartments and the stress on reason as a way to faith appealed so little to intellectual who otherwise would not to blame, for reason a dominant role in life. It was in the religious sphere alone that they instinctively receded from their habitually so rational and realistic. The other description will be described on the next dars. Orbit of Christian thought in world of Muhammad Asad, formerly Leopard V's. Almighty Allah, all of the people of the world to make them guidance to embrace Islam and serve Islam. May Almighty Allah all of us bless. Wa akhir da'wana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alamin.